how to move photos to secure folder in picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the picture gallery, or you can go into the app screen and open up the picture gallery. Now in here, make sure you go back to the picture gallery homepage. Then open up a picture. Next, we tap on the More button, and then tap on Move to Secure Folder. Then tap on Moved. And then tap on Continued. Then tap on Continued. This will allow us to set up a new secure folder. Now, if you haven't created a new secure folder before, then now is the chance to set up and create one. Okay, so tap on Done. Here it's asked me to set a pin, so I'll set a pin and tap on Continued and then Use Anyway. You say the pin is too simple, that's okay. And I will tap on Allow and tap on Next. Okay, so let's move an item to the secure folder now. So one item has been moved to the secure folder. Now if we select multiple items and tap on More, we can also move to the secure folder from this menu here. So you can move multiple items or move one item at a time. So if I go into the secure folder now, secure folder, and in gallery, we have one photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.